Hello guys, this is SRINIVAS the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK Daily Challenge of 21 June 2021. Here, this is the problem they have given, bank transaction. We have to handle the exception that are occur during this transaction. They have created a condition if the person is taking money more than the balance, we should pass a exception, we should raise a statement insufficient balance. And if somebody is trying to put or credit more than on stands 100,000 10,000 rupees, we just need to inform that person like you have credited a maximum limit, like that. Otherwise we have to do the transaction. If they have given plus symbol, we should add the money to the current account. If they have provided minus account, we should take the money from that account. Initially the account will be uh, initialized with 1000 rupees. Okay guys, let's see with the programmatical way. Here, this is the problem they have given, or the program that they have already defined. They have initialized the balance with the 1000 rupees, and they have created all the conditions like they will specify the number of inputs or number of transactions, and they are handling, if the symbol is plus they are adding the money, and if the symbol is minus they are reducing the money, and they are printing the balance. If the limit is exceeded than 10,000 rupees, they have raised the exception. And if the amount is greater than the balance, they also raise the exception, which is nothing but insufficient balance. Now we have to create a class for these two exception, which extends exception class maximum credit limit extended exception, which extends class exception. And inside this we should create a constructor that should be public, or else we don't need to mention that as a public. We can just create a constructor as it is. Maximum credit limit extended exception, which will contain the string value message. We should return or give the properties for this message. For that we should call the super function, which will give the parent function like super of message. So the exception class will have the function get message. This get message method also applicable for this message, so we will print this max credit limit extended exception. Likewise we have to create a class for insufficient balance, which also extends exception class. This insufficient balance also have the parameter message, which is passed here. So this should also have the super functionality of the exception class, so we are just passing it. Now it's time to run our code. Line 30. Oh, this is string, not sting. Now it's time to pass the inputs. This is nothing but we are going to do 5 transaction. That 5 we are going to check for the all the possibilities. Now I'm adding 500 rupees. Then my account will be 1000 plus 500, 1500. Now I'm taking 2000 rupees, which can't be done. So I got insufficient balance. So that I'm just crediting my account to the max, and it's now 11,000. If I try to add 11,000, I got maximum credit limit extended. So I'm just taking all the values, which is nothing but 11500. Now my balance is 0. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Here, this is the code for review. See you soon with something else tomorrow, guys. Until then, bye.